time it is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just doing a quick little unboxing, showing y'all what we looking like. I ordered the HogWorkZ headlight, and I got the Vision LED vent for the turn signals. Cause you know, I mean, you gotta do both. You gotta do both. It's time for me to get rid of the chrome Harley headlight / reflector light, and you know, step my visual game up. That way I don't look like everybody else rolling down the road. So without further ado, let's open this boy up. One thing right off the rip, this boxing presentation that they got set up, beautiful. Oh, and another sticker. Yes, sir. All right, got the sticker. This paper that I took out was just the instructions, just showing you how to do it. It's pretty much like they said in here, it's a plug and play setup, so nothing crazy. Let's open this box up here. Take a look at the, whoa. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First impressions, man. I can just tell it's gonna be bright. I mean, look at that. Those LEDs, gigantic. And then there's the plug and play, y'all. It's kind of weird that they got this extra one, but literally it's a plug and play setup. Let's shoot over to the LED vents. 1 second, slide this out. Y'all bear with me, man. This is a one-man operation. Doing this on my phone. Hold up, slide her out, come on. All right, got the box off. Open up the vent. Ooh, and another sticker. Come on. All right. I don't know why I just be hyped with stickers, man. I'm just adding to the collection. So these are the vent lights, huh? And these, as you see, is the 2 connectors for plug and play. So one goes in to the harness, and then the other one goes into, you know, your turn signals. Nice. Nice, easy setup. Hopefully these are bright too and add additional lighting, you know, for down the road, man. And the main reason I went with this headlight over other ones that I've seen is just because it has the black housing. And my bike is murdered out for the most part. But you got that chrome reflector housing. So I figured, let me throw this boy in there just to give it more light down the road. And then, you know, just to set myself apart from everybody else. And I kind of like these little tusks down here that it looks like that light up. So, and that's gonna be kind of sick because even when the lights are off, like in the picture, you'll still see those white tusks. So it's just gonna be looking mean. And then I got the brow setup that I'm gonna swap over to this, and then just show you how mean it looks when it's all said and done. So I'm gonna get this installed in the bike tonight. I'm gonna take the bike for an initial ride with my stock headlight. And then once that's done, I'm gonna put this in and do the exact same route with this headlight versus, you know, the stock headlight. That way I can see if there's a big difference between the two, because I haven't seen any side-by-side videos on YouTube showing, you know, an aftermarket light setup, headlight setup for the Road Glide versus the stock setup, because everybody loves the stock setup, which for me, it's not the best, man. I mean, I always find myself hitting the brights and just wanting more at night. So I'm hoping that, you know, these 2 gigantic LED bulbs in here will deliver that for me. So y'all stay tuned, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you like this video. If you want to see the comparison to once I get it uploaded, I should have that up very soon. And then hopefully my initial thoughts on the headlight setup, as well as a lot of visuals, man. You got to do the visuals. And then I will catch y'all in the next Swint Nation video. Y'all ride safe, stay blessed. Peace.